Hello, my name is Dave Schwarm and I'm the Customer Service Manager here at Green Meadow Lawn Care. Today I want to talk to you about the top 5 reasons why lawn care companies raise their prices. I usually start my blog articles with a search of the web to research what is being said. When I Googled lawn care price increases, it gave me many strategies on how to increase prices, when to increase prices, but not much on why. In my 29 years in the industries, I've witnessed good reasons and then ones that just make me shake my head. Here's what I've learned and what I've witnessed. Number 1, product prices. The biggest one to fluctuate is fertilizer. Supply and demand and fuel cost play a key role in the price of fertilizer. For the first time in several years, the price of fertilizer is slightly climbing, according to an article I read in agweb.com back from October. I was also able to verify with Green Meadow's owner, Nate Baylor, that the price he is getting for our spring 2019 product is slightly up. Number 2, insurance. According to the 2018 Kaiser Family Foundation Health Benefits Survey released last October 2018, since 2008, average family premiums have jumped 55%, twice as fast as workers' earnings and 3 times as fast as inflation. This year, workers are once again getting hit with more of the cost of their coverage in the form of higher premiums and higher deductibles. Number 3, lawn originally underpriced. This is the one that I've seen over and over happen throughout my 29 years in the lawn care industry. The salesperson lowers the square footage of your lawn, which lowers the price. And you think, great deal, and you sign up. Then the service person treats your property and uses way too much product on your lawn because it's undermeasured. And that throws up the red flag, underpriced lawn. What does that mean? In most cases, until the square footage and the price are adjusted, the hard-working service person will resent you and your lawn because it's negatively affecting his ability to hit his production goal. And every company I have ever worked for has one. This leads to the corners being cuts and poor results. So now you're not happy and neither is the service person. Classic lose-lose. Bottom line, check your square footage. There is a great online tool that you can use to do that. Go to mapdevelopers.com, click on Area Finder. That should help you. Number 4, experienced and educated staff. Keeping well-trained and knowledgeable staff will drive up your cost of your service. If you see the same service person year after year and the results and customer service are really good, a price increase is likely in the future and well earned. If the opposite is true and the price keeps going up, now's where you have to ask yourself the question, am I getting what I'm paying for? This industry has many applicators in it, and the truly effective ones are great at 2 things, customer service and problem solving. Number 5, just wants to make more profits. So, when very few or even worse, none of the above 4 listed are driving a price increase, you have to wonder, why should I pay more? Sometimes it's as simple as the owner of the company wants to live a bigger lifestyle. Is that a bad thing? I can honestly say that I've met a few very humble and honest owners that I felt were due, and some that were just a little bit greedy. The bottom line, this is now my 4th blog article I've ever written, and the conclusion is usually the same. Who do you trust? Read the reviews, check with family, and see who your neighbors are working with. Get a few estimates from trusted companies. Until we meet again, my name is Dave Schwarm, and I'm the Customer Service Manager here at Green Meadow Lawn Care.